stylized, modular, and properly optimized. If this is what you're after, this dungeon kit is going to save you a lot of time. This is a 3D Tudor Dungeon Kitbash Pack Stylized Asset Collection, a modular dungeon pack built for artists who want that strong, stylized fantasy look without dragging their scene into a technical swamp. Created by Deluxe as part of our Starving Artist campaign, this pack is all about giving you a clean, readable, game-ready dungeon style that still feels rich, atmospheric, and full of character. It has that handcrafted look we love at 3D Tudor: chunky shapes, strong silhouettes, broken stonework, warm torchlight, and just enough grime and ruin to sell the mood without turning into a visual slop. Now, the important bit is that this pack is not just nice to look at, it is built with optimization in mind. That means a smart modular workflow, a low material count, and a strong use of seamless textures to help you build larger scenes more efficiently. So instead of wrestling with bloated mess of unique materials and overly used heavy assets, you get a kit that is designed to be practical in real production. In other words, it gives you that stylized look people want, while still behaving like something you can actually use. Inside, you get a broad collection of modular dungeon pieces and props to help you build out ruined interiors, airy corridors, stairways, chambers, and larger fantasy scenes fast. So whether you want a hero render, a stylized game environment, or a fast block out base, you can push much further. The kit gives you a strong foundation. It is flexible enough for close-up renders, large environment scenes, and gameplay style layouts. So yes, you can spend days building a dungeon one brick at a time, or you can be slightly kinder to yourself. If you want a dungeon pack that is stylized, modular, and optimized for real use, the 3D Tudor Dungeon Kitbash Pack Stylized Asset Collections is a very solid addition to your library.